guys! Our vlog for today, it's unboxing time! At ngayon, may order tayo from... Saan ba yan? This is Happy Skin. Happy Skin product. Let's try. Hirap magbukas ito eh. It's a Boodle tape. Hirap agastisan eh, no? Alam mo, yaman. Check. For mait sa buhay. Ito lang siya pa. Ganito lang pala siya pati. This is a shade of chai latte. Lip mallow. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Later on, we'll try natin. And ito naman, this product ay, I think it, cream line. Yeah, cream line. Shade of powder matte lip tint. Yan. Powder matte lip tint. Magpipiling maganda tayo eh. And the shade of Hish, di ba kita? OMG. Sensya na. Nagastos ang person. Tamad kumuha ng gift. And bumili din at code too. It's blush on. Blush powder. Shade of, di ko alam. I forgot the shade. Yun talaga. Ang gulay. Oh my gosh! Inamoy? Anong amoy, te? And it is YOU. Sunscreen. Naka-bright shine. Sunscreen. Open na natin. Excited din. Brightening sunscreen with niacinamide. Sunbrella. And it has a free. Oh, cute. Thank you, I owe you. Sige. Freebies. Thank you so much. Beh, makate siya. Teka lang. And I bought this one. Cloud Touch by YOU. 3-in-1 two-way cake with SPF 30. Yeah. Ew. Pabebe. Parang tanga, di man bagay. Bakit? Sama ba? Guys, I want to open this one. how many years? How many years? So cute. Alam niyo ba ang chika, guys? This one. Nagtingin ako na to sa Watsons. And nakita ko siya. 499. So, nag-back off ako kasi nakita ko siya sa TikTok. It's almost 200 something like that. So, pabudol ako. A girl. Yeah, girl. Thank you for watching. Bye!